Go over how to draw an angelfish. Angelfish are awesome. I really like the way they have this, obviously, very unique shape to them. This is going to be completely for beginners, so if you're a total beginner, you will be absolutely be able to do this. It's going to be step by step. Really, really short video as well. It's only about maybe, I don't know, 7 minutes. And that is it. Let's hop right into the video right now. Okay, so let's jump into this. All right. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a kind of line going up that direction, kind of like a slide. And I'm going to go up here. It's kind of, you can make it a little bit bumpy, you can make it straight, doesn't really matter. It's going to be from the front of his face to the top of the fin. And then right here at the front, we're going to draw the mouth. So it's going to be like a lesser than sign. Like so. Right over here, I'm gonna curve. Right here for the body. I'm drawing a little bit of thinner line on there. I used to have these as a kid, actually. I don't know why. I don't know. I should get fish again, honestly. I'm gonna go down here and I'm gonna curve over here on this end to, you know, for most of his body there. I'm gonna pull a line straight back, just a dot. Line straight back here, little short area. It's gonna pull up, curve in, up, curve up. Over here, down, curve out, down, curve out, curve in. Right? Just kind of keep it, you know, decently balanced. All of this stuff you can kind of like, you just want to get the gist of it. It doesn't have to be dead on, right? Just get the gist of it and it works. And it's going to come to like a pit here, like a pitfall. And then out. It's going to come back out. And even that you can make simpler. You can make these things longer. It's not really, it's as long as you have these kind of like, it comes to a sharp-ish point. That would be the most important. Alright. Gonna go down here. I have this dangling part. That's like kind of like a long beard that he has. It has two little tendrils, too. Gonna go over here now, right behind it, maybe around this point, and it's gonna swoop down and out, down and back. Right here, it's gonna pull up. Okay, over here now, I'm gonna swoop down. So the idea is that the angelfish is known for kind of like the really high top fin and the really low fin, right? That's pretty much what it's known for. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw literally a circle for the eye. Okie doke. I'm gonna pull over here and I'm gonna pull a curve right behind the ear, in, curve in here, curve. It's gonna be a fin on the side. All right. I'm gonna fill in the eye here, just almost all of it except for like a highlight. Pulling in here. I'm gonna draw an actual stripe, which kind of looks like a line, right? You have to be careful. And the stripe over here, but it goes behind the fin. It's gonna have a curve on this side. And then you could draw one more kind of going through his eye. You can kind of draw it here, throw right there. And you could also fill in, you could put a stripe back here in the back of the fin here, and then you could fill in the rest of that back fin. I like the way they're patterned like that when they have that. Right on. So something looks really, oh, the other thing you can do here is we're gonna throw these smaller details. So curve thin lines here to represent like the scales, fish's scales that fish have. Maybe some lines over here in the fin. And the other thing that I want to do is, and I think it's necessary for this one, is I want to bolden the line on the outer side of everything. Because it just looks too busy. This top line looks too thick. So I'm going to try to make the outer border as thick as that top line there. Oops. This isn't really required in those black areas, but I might still do it out of habit here. Right there. Here, and here, just unifying the drawing a lot more, because it's super necessary to unify it. If you don't unify it, it is gonna kind of fall apart, and that's a good drawing tip for anything, is you need to unify kind of everything going on. So another thing you can do to add details, you can draw thin lines here, because everything now is going to be thin, right? It's going to be a thin line because it's all detail oriented now, because we kind of have our base down. So everything's going to be like, yeah. And if you want to make it seem like he's underwater, which he obviously is, I can draw a circle. Circles. Do bubbles get bigger as they come out? Yeah, or I forget. No, I think they they don't change size, right? Or do they? I can't remember. Just to kind of give it a little bit more life, right? A little bit more character. Alrighty, hold on. Let's see. One last thing. Just trying to touch things up here real quick. One down here. Like so. Alright. Wait a minute, hold on. There's one more thing. I'm gonna kind of even out this line here. See, everything you can kind of fix afterward. This is like a fun part for me, where you can kind of just do, you can kind of repair it. You know, like this line's a little thin on his design here. I'll make that a little bit thicker. Maybe make this a little bit thicker, just to kind of make that pop out. All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.